Good morning, and thank you for your question. So we are coming back to the main question: how to manage cities. By that I mean data, resources, infrastructure, services, if you like. So the question is, what is our vision in this context? All those systems are traditionally managed with partial solution, or in some cases, even not managed at all. And this always was a challenge, but we have developed an answer to this challenge. So an efficient, reliable data manager platform with open architecture, and we are calling it Tango. Solutions which are based on digitalization, by that I mean reliable and trusted information, in combination with efficient use of energy, can help cities to manage their resources in a more efficient and a more efficient way to improve their carbon footprint. As a Petrol, we are using this tool as a support tool for all of our projects, and in this way we are way more competitive, and we manage our project in a more efficient way. Tango's smart management enables stakeholders to answer the challenges of sustainable development, and as well they can increase the satisfaction of their end users. That is to create better, creative, and self-learning living environment. So Petrol, being an energy company with many years of experience on competitive regional market, we are managing more than 1,300 different kind of objects or facilities, from schools, public buildings, district heating networks, industrial sites, and public lighting, and so on and so on. So we are proud to position ourselves as a market leader in Southeast Europe. Our aim is to develop energy efficient and smart buildings. And so for the most of them, we are using Tango platform, as it was described previously, as a data management platform. For example, through public-private partnership, we have performed energy optimization on most of the public buildings in our capital city of Ljubljana, also mentioned previously by our board member. And what is important here is that we are managing the entire cycle of project development, from project identification, solution development, implementation, and at the end, facility management. This is the most important part because we can afford zero mistakes. And that is why tools such as Tango are significant for our business development. Thank you for this question. Sure. In Slovenia, we say we are somewhere in the middle, as a heart of Europe. And then we developed here a concept of a smart village called Luce, already previously mentioned by our board member. So it was a pilot project under Horizon 2020 framework. But what is important here is that this is a unique combination of a self-supply and independent community based on 100% renewable energy sources. And the interconnected resources behave like a unit. So while in the background, the surplus energy is managed or stored, and the needs are appropriately addressed based on the forecast and so on. So in this way, we see an example of a future smart independent living district, perhaps stimulated by the fact that remote infrastructure is perhaps too expensive in some areas. So I have another example. So especially here in our region, we have many large industrial complexes that were built some 50 years ago or so. And they are also closed energy distribution system. And what we did, we actually conducted energy optimization, introduced several smart services, and created a synergy between industrial and city ecosystems. So we can, on one side, produce energy from renewables or waste heat, and then use it for mobility, heating, and so on. So such partnerships with large industrial facilities and surrounding communities can play a big role in, let's say, some future public-private partnerships, and are really possible answer how to create sustainable future.